Welcome to this video, where we'll explore how the subscription system for judo classes works. Once the sensei has made the section available, a button will appear on this page allowing you to make monthly lesson payments. Here, we just need to enter our payment card details, and Stripe will securely handle the payment process. If the transaction is successful, a card will appear showing the details of our subscription. Using the button at the top, we can access the settings and be redirected to Stripe to update our recurring payment details. Don't pay attention to the imports and descriptions in this Stripe dashboard. I had to create a test version because, in offline mode, Stripe wouldn't show me the page for security reasons. I assure you that online, with an active plan, the page will be visible. From here, you can add new cards, modify existing ones, and cancel the subscription. Additionally, you can cancel or resume the subscription directly from the Dojo dashboard as well. Alright, that's everything you need to know about this page. I wish you a great training session.